Guys, welcome to the Get More Deletions Challenge. Listen, for 5 days, you're going to be locked in with me, all right? All I need from you is commitment, right? That's it. All I need from you is commitment. You're going to show up every day and we're going to get these things done. So, over the course of 5 days, guys, I'll be teaching you how to repair, rebuild, restore your own credit, how to delete negative items from your credit, how to delete derogatories from your credit, and put you in the position to have the power to purchase. So, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now it's time for us to learn. I'm going to need you guys to do a few things. So, just block out for me, just anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, depending on if you're general admission or VIP or Ultra, because you know if you're Ultra, if you're VIP, you get an extra hour with me, probably a good extra hour and change to answer questions, give strategies, and just basically you'll be able to pick my brain within this hour, all right? So for those of you that are general admission, I'm telling y'all, you guys are missing out. But it's better to be here than not to be here. So what I want you guys to do is I need you guys to register and I need you guys to check your emails, right? So I need you guys to check your email to make sure that it's not in your spam, your junk folder, or your promotional folder. It's very important because when we send emails